to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it?
Stop.
The heck? I told you not to say that. Okay, guys and girls, do not repeat what Sylvia says.
Stop.
You say no. Can you dig it? That's the way we do it. Can you dig it? All right. Cut that out. We got a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Customer's complaint, check engine light is on. And in the state of North Carolina, well, not actually the entire state of North Carolina, just certain counties and cities and all that. If the check engine light is on, can't get it inspected, can't get it registered, which sucks. So we're about to check out and see why this check engine light is on. We'll be right back. All right, here we go. We got the diagnostic connector right here to the left of the dashboard. Left of the steering column, but under the dashboard. Let's plug our super duper Actron up. All right, let's sit in here. Let's put the key in the on position. All right, vehicle diagnostics. Let's go to manual. We gotta. Matter of fact, let's go back. Okay, vehicle diagnostics. Enter. Auto. Okay, key is on. There you go. There you go. This new Actron is cool. Vehicle does not support auto ID. Proceed. If I say no, what you gonna do? You're not gonna tell me what's wrong with the car. All right, yes. All right, we got a U.S. model here. We have a 2002. It's considered a truck. And we have a Jeep Grand Cherokee. We have the 4.0. I did a 2001 too, huh? Oh, okay. Working. Enter. Reading codes, ABS, everything. Alright, now looks like SRS, we got one code for the SRS. I'm not worried about that. ABS, no codes. ECM, 2 codes. OBD2, 2 codes. So what we have here, the right front sensor internal diagnostic code. I'm not worried about that. P0455 evaporative emission system gross leak. Okay, they funny when they say that. They say gross. Let's say extra large or something. All right. Now check this out, guys. Check this out with this Actron. And one day we're going to do a little review on this. See that word code down there? That's cool. Because see, you hit that word code and you hit this code connect. And when you hit code connect, it lets you know. Okay, top reported fix. Replace evaporative emission system holes or lines. Replace fuel filler cap. And this is frequent recorded fixes. That's cool. All right, I like that. So we got gross leak. Scroll down. Small leak. I guess you would have a small leak if you got a large leak, right? That's a temporary code. P0455 gross leak confirmed. It is confirmed. We have an issue. Houston, we got a problem. And a 442 small leak. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to put down the P0455 and P0442. Now, what do we do from here? First thing is first. We have a gross leak and a small leak. The first thing we're going to do is go around. We're going to look at the hoses. Maybe get up under the vehicle, look at the hoses. What we're going to do is, before we do a smoke test, because a lot of you guys would need a smoke test done, or you got to take it to a shop and get it done. So the first thing to do before you break down and do that, visually check the hoses and the gas cap. All right, so let's go out there and check those out. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. We want to start off with the Evap system right here with this little green connector, and I want to go around, look at the hoses and everything, make sure everything is good. Looks like this one with the new hose here have been replaced. Alright, everything looking good. Now, gross leak. I'm expecting to see something completely off. And if we have to, we'll check the valve and all that. You know. All right, so let's get something. We want to look up get up under this, underneath here, and check out the evap lines going all the way back to the gas tank and everything. And while we're back here, the cap looks kind of old. Okay, looks pretty good there. Cap looks kind of old. It might not be. Let me see, feeling the rubber around here. Still kind of soft, but definitely look like the original cap up there. Might have an issue with that. So at this point, guys, definitely, if you see something like that and the cap looks original or whatever, change the cap, clear the codes out, and see if it comes back. But let's get up under there and check out the other lines. We'll be right back. Alright, guys and girls, what I can see, got my car jacked up. Got my jack stand up under there. Make sure you have a jack stand up under the vehicle. I mean, for something so cheap, these cars fall on you, it'd be a problem. You know, then I feel bad. Alright, let's get up under here. Got a little mat. Let's flip this camera around so we can see. Okay, there's our gas tank. No, look like gas tank thing. It's way back there. Alright, what we want to do? What is this? Oh, okay. Let's see here. We're trying to look for our evap lines. Look at this. What's this string I hear in the rusty? I don't know. So it's got to be a metal line coming down. Everything looking good. Going to the back. Alright, let's get from under here and go to the back of the vehicle where the gas tank is. Nothing look rusty, you know. Alright, right back. Alright, here we go. Got a little light here. Got our canister over here. And there's our vent right here. Let me see if I can see any. Turn this light on. See if I see any hoses off or anything. And then the rest of them are going up to the tank. Wow, okay, what the heck? What is this? How this thing comes out? Wow, man, look at this mess. Okay. You know, I might have to drop this thing. That's the whole tank right there? My goodness. I have no idea. Alright, I don't see nothing. Let's go. Can we see further up? Alright. That's a dirty. Hey, had that fuel filter ever been changed? Alright. Trying to see here. Alright, I'm not seeing what I need to see here. So you know what, guys? Let's stop playing around. Let's do us a smoke test. Now, check this out. A lot of shops going to tell you, listen, to do a smoke test, you got to hook up the scanner and cut the purge off so it won't purge out, which means right there. Now, I'm going to show you guys. That's bull, all right? Just take you a pair of needle nose vice grips and bam, close that right off, okay? It's good to do it the other way because you get to make sure that that solenoid, the purge is shutting itself off. So I'm gonna show you two ways, the easy way and the easiest way. All right, right back. All right, guys, here we go. Back into here. I'm gonna put the key on. Let's go to our scan tool. Try to get out the sun here. Now, what you're gonna do here is you're gonna, let's go back, back again, back again. Now with your Actron, you're gonna go down to Special Test. Hit Enter. You wanna go to Onboard Systems, Evap System Test. Once I hit Enter, Command Sent. Now what that did right there was shut that purge off in the back. All right, so that's so you can actually do the test. And when you're done, hit that. All right, so you don't need no high dollar machine. Your Actron will do it. And don't worry, I'm gonna do another review on the Actron. It's gonna show you. I'm gonna show you a lot of things the Actron can do that people don't even know can do. All right, so let's go get our smoke machine and hook this up and try to find this gross leak. Be right back. All right, guys and girls, here's my smoke machine. I bought this at about 2010, and it cost me $1,000. But guys, girls, check out online, check out on YouTube. There's a lot of smoke machines out there that's a lot cheaper. It does the same exact thing, and actually people even made their own smoke machines. All right, so let's go back here. In mine, I got an airline right here. I gotta hook up the air. And we got positive and negative. We hook up to the battery. It up like that. And then this machine comes with the valve, the tool removal, core removal. So we go over here to the cap and open it up. Now these are reverse threading. So in order to take this out, you see it looks like a tire valve, tire valve tool. In order to take it out, you gotta tighten it up. It's like reverse thread, so you can't use this any tire valve and put in there. So you need to remember that. And come on. Okay, there we go. And you want to put this somewhere where it won't drop or get lost or anything. Let's see, I'm gonna just set it right here on top of the machine. That's not going to move. Now we got to hook up our adapter to that. So I go in the back of the machine. It's got a lot of for the exhaust and other things. Check the cooling system. A lot of caps here. That's what it comes with. And here's our tool right here. So we're going to plug this, turn this, put that on to there, and we'll be right back. All right, the next thing we want to do, let's unwrap our hoses on this machine and our control line. And what I mean by that is we got two lines here. One is a remote to start and stop the machine, and two is the smoke itself. So now let me set this down right here, and when I hit this button, watch the machine, the smoke line comes up, lights up. And what I do is just wait. It's called bleeding the system right here. I want to wait till I see smoke come out of that line. As you can see, there it is right there. Smoke it. Alright, we shut it off. Now what I'm going to do is take this line and we'll go over here, and we got it right here. I'm going to hook that up just like that. Make sure that's nice and tight. Alright, now if you try to do a smoke test right now out of that vent in the back, it's going to come right out of there. Let me show you. Now we go over here and cut this on. Now, notice this little ball right there? Watch that ball. See how it goes up? Now, as this system builds up pressure, that ball is going to continue to drop to close the leak. But of course, right now, we know there's a gross leak, and let's go back here to where our vent is. Let's sit over here. And right now, we don't have the vent closed off. And you can see, it's smoking right out of there. Alright? So this is what I mean. Two ways. Either you shut it off, needle nose vice grips, or you go up here and shut it off. So let's cut this machine off first, and then I can show you. Right back. All right, guys, girls, what we're gonna do here before we cut? I need to see inside there, and we got a little shield here. It's like 1, 2, and then a nut, a 10mm nut up there. I want to remove this so we can see, get us a good look in there. All right, right back. All right, let's see. I got me a 10mm 3/8 drive, shallow socket, and what I'm gonna do here is go up, and if that was a 10, it'd be all right. What the heck, man? These are, that don't look like a 10. That look like a 10, don't it? What the heck I got here? I'm gonna make sure I got a 10. Oh, I got an 11. But wait a minute, if I got 11, and that's bigger up there, is that bigger? Let me go get the whole socket set. Dang it, now you tell me. Right back. All right, we're back. Let's go up here. And I got a 13mm shallow socket. All right, that fits with my 3/8 drive ratchet. All right. Take that off. Dang, that thing is tight. All right, check it out. I'm gonna get that off, and then we're gonna get these two bolts off. These are definitely look like a 10. Make sure now I got my 10. Yeah, those are 10mm. So we're gonna get those off. All right, right back. All right, got that one up there. Now I'm taking off my 10mm bolts here. I got a 12-inch extension, 10mm 3/8 drive socket. Let's get those off. Right back. All right, got the large bolt over here. What the heck, man? Looks like there's something else holding it. Oh, there's another bolt way up there, another nut way up there. There's two. What the heck is this, man? There's one over here too, another 12. Oh, 13. Let's see here. This one's a 13. Yes, it is. So we got another one, another bolt right there, 13. And we got another nut way on top of where that other one was. So let's get those out. Right back. All right, just took that off, and actually, the one over here actually broke. Rusted right out and broke right off of me. Let's see if we can get this thing. See this thing a little better. Alright. Make sure that's where I light at. We need a light to see it in here. There we go. There's our vent. Hoses, everything on. Alright, what do we have here now? Have a little electrical connector. You know what? Let's get these 3 bolts off right here. This is getting a little interesting here. What size are these? Okay.
8mm bolts, 3 of them. So let's completely remove that shield.
Oh, is that just one ball?
Because that's, we need to see in there. So we're going to remove these 3 bolts. And we'll be right back. Alright. Got our bolts down here, remove them. Where is it? Here they go. 3 self-tapping screws. Alright, let's get this out of our way. Yeah, there we go. Let's get this on. Get this thing off. Get this thing off here, man. What the heck? Alright. You know what? You know, while we're over here, we can test this this purge also. So let's need another. I could get my little camera stand. So we can get our power probe. It's got 3 wires going to it. So we're gonna get our power probe. We're gonna test to make sure this is working. Be right back. Alright guys and girls, here we are. Just disconnected. Leak detection pump. I want to see what I want to see. I want to make sure this thing is activating. And we got 3 wires going here. Orange with dark green, white with dark green, and orange with yellow. And what we're going to do here to activate this pump, we're worried about these 2 wires right here. The orange with the dark green and white with the dark green. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some testers, and we're going to connect it to the pins inside of here along with our power probe. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, I got 2 wires here. Got alligator clips on each side. Very cool for testing things out like this. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hook it up to the pins inside of here on the 2. One right there, the first 2 ones right there, so we can jump this out and make sure this is working. Be right back. Alright, got them connected up in there. What we're going to do is go down here to our power probe, the ground. We're going to hook up the ground. Get over here. Alright, connect at the ground. Dang it. The wind is blowing. You're like fishing, man. Alright, let me hook this up. I'll be right back. Alright, got my ground hooked up from the power probe, and I got my other one hooked up to here. And that green light showed me I'm making a complete circuit. So I hit up for 12 volts. I should hear that solenoid click. Alright, it is actually working. So, now, what I'm going to do now, we're going to take our needle nose vice grips. Let's get this all unhooked here. We're going to get our needle nose vice grips here. We're going to plug this off. We're going to get our smoke test going again. Be right back. Alright, got my vice grips over here. Now I'm going to start the smoke machine up again. And see if we can look at some leaks. Here we go. Alright. Bam. Alright. As we can see, the ball's starting to come down. But man, that's a big leak right there. Let's go check this out. Let's go look around here. Man, look at all this smoke. Oh, that's coming from, I can hear it above the gas tank. Oh my goodness, man, that's a big leak too. Look at all that smoke. You gotta be kidding me. Can I see? And I hear it. I mean, that's really coming out of there. Oh, there's our tank right there. What the heck? here where these hoses are. That's a big leak. Can I take this shield down? Oh man, that shield is... That's part of the gas tank too. Whatever it is, it's these lines right here. And it's pouring out, man. Look at that. Alright, we're about to have some fun because I gotta drop this tank down. This sucks. Can I see inside here? No, I can't. Dang it. Come on. I don't want to drop this thing. What about if I just unhook the hoses from over here and start pulling the hoses back, and maybe I can figure out which one it is. Let's get up under here. Wow. Man, I do not want to do this. Oh well. We're gonna be dropping the gas tank here. Shoot. This is gonna be fun. That's a big leak. If they ain't kidding me, they said gross leak. Alright, so I'm gonna get my jack stand, my hydraulic jack, put it up under the gas tank. And it looks like we got about 17mm bolts right here that's holding this in place. And there's a clear fuel tank. Alright, and we're gonna start dropping this down. Right back. Alright, got my compressor going. Got my hydraulic jack here. And I put a piece of wood here. So I added support to hold this gas tank up. And what I'm gonna do is jack this up. Just to keep some pressure on it. And let's see what size of these bolts. Look like about a 17 to me. Oh. 18mm bolts. So I got my 18 deep, half-inch drive. Got my 4 1/4 inch half-inch drive extension, and of course, can't leave home without the earthquake. I like when people do that. I know y'all guys like, hey, he's about to drop a gas tank in here and they do jokes. This ain't gonna be fun. Alright, let's go to the other side first. Take off those 3 bolts, set that compressor off. Right back. Alright, here we go. Let's see, we got 3 bolts right over here. And yep, I'm gonna get those first. And what I'm gonna actually do, I'm gonna remove 2 of them and just loosen the other one up a lot. Alright, right back. Alright, here we go. Let's get these out of here. Just like I said, I'm just going to loosen this one up. Just to keep that hanging up there. So, let's get to the other side. Dang it, man, this thing is... Wait a minute, this whole shield is... Oh, man. Looks like that heat shield was going around there. I would have dropped this down, it would have pulled that right down with it. So let's get those 2 off of there, like about a 12 or 13. Let's get out. What else sockets that over here? No. No, I don't have no idea, man. What the heck? I don't know, 11 or 10. Okay, what we got here? 11 millimeter. Alright, that's no problem. 11 millimeter. Let's get those out. Alright, here we go. These two right here. Okay, there's one. Two. Looks like that one popped up. What is that? Clip that goes up there. Yeah, I'll put up there later. Let's set these over here to the side. Where's the other one? Alright, put our bolts over there. Let's go to the other side. Alright, here we go. We're gonna take these. This one got 4. Wait a minute, makes me want to know. Did I miss any on the other side or something? Alright, let's get these out of here. Alright, guys, let me get those other 3 and I'll be right back to show you the last one. Bear back. Alright, we got the 4 out. Man, there's a little bracket over here down here with a bolt on that. That sucks, man. What the heck? What is that, about 15 or something? I got bolts hanging all down here. And let's find out what size that is. Here's a 15. Alright, let's hook that up. Be right back. I gotta go get a longer extension. Here's a 15. But then I noticed it's like it's going part of the bumper. So, what the heck, these things? Look at that. They pull out, huh? Oh, okay. So let's get these 4 out right here. I'm doing this by hand, but you could probably get a screwdriver or something. Get them out of there. Get some needle nose. Be right back. Alright, got my needle nose. Let's get these out of here. What I'm doing is pulling a little bit by hand. Then, where's the needle nose at, man? Okay, then try to get in there. Pop that out. Just like that. Alright, let's get that last one. And I got my 12-inch extension here, half-inch drive. Goes over to my 15 millimeter deep socket up there. And we're gonna get that bolt out. So we'll be right back once I get this last one out. Alright, got those out, and what I noticed, it's getting more complicated by the minute. See that bar up there? That bar goes right over here, and it's got a nut right there and a nut over there. That's also holding this tank up in the air. Man, this is getting more fun by the damn minute. Let me find out what size it is. Bear back. Alright. 15 millimeters. Get our best friend here. Come on. Alright, let's get that. There we go. Let's get that other one over there. All this for an evap leak. Let's get that other one and we'll be right back. Alright, taking them to off. But I gotta get that 15 millimeter over there. So, let's hook back up our extension and all. Hook it on again. Alright. Alright, now we still got the one bolt on the side that's holding this up. And I want to keep that there. Let's see if we can rapidly loosen this jack up. Get this coming down, right? Yeah, it's coming down. Coming down more. I'm hoping. Wow. Wow. Well, we got that one side still up there. Yep, we're good to go. We feel safe. Okay, I can see nothing. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, I can see our hoses right through here. What the heck is that? What the heck is that over there? All right. Let's I don't know if you can see him there. Let's hit our smoke machine again and see if we can see where it's coming from. What the heck is that? It's like some kind of valve right there. Oh, man, this thing is just ridiculous. What is this, wire ties holding this thing on? Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, let's hook up our hairline over here to our smoke machine. Okay. Okay, let's cut it on. Let's go back here. Let's see if we can see anything. There it is. Look at that. There's the holes. It's the big holes right there. There it is. Okay, just pulled it off. There it is. Okay. Let's go up here and shut this off. Alright, can we see a better, get a better look at it inside here? Matter of fact, I might take this tile off so you guys can see this better. What the heck is this, man? Some kind of wire tie or something. Look at that, the hose is actually broke. Yeah, we got a wire tie right here. Let me cut this wire tie off. Be right back. Alright, let's look in here. And there's our holes right there. What I need to do here is cut this wire tie off here. I want to make sure I cut it without messing up anything else. This is kind of, I don't know if I just pull that hose back out through the loop. There we go. What the heck, man? I could have sworn I just had it. There we go. There we go, guys. What is it? Look at that. Look at that hose. Broke. And the other end of this is right there. And it looks good. So we're going to be replacing this hose right here. Or, no, that's kind of dry rotted right there. It's fun. Let's get up under there and see where this hose goes to. Okay. Alright, there it is right there. It goes up here to some clamp right there. So let's get that. So this was repaired at one time or something. Alright, I'm going to loosen this clamp up and pull this hose off of there. Right back. Alright, got the hose off. Look at that crack. So it looks like about a 3/8. Let's get some new hose and put it in its place. That's Astro, damn it. That's how we get down. That's how we do it. Can y'all dig that? Can y'all dig that? Hey. And remember, this is just one car. We do 30 cars a day. Yeah. Oh, God. That's funny. Alright. Let's get this hose replaced. Right back. Alright, guys and girls, here we go. Got an old hose here. It's broken. Got my new hose, and I'm putting clamps on it too. It's 3/8 hose. Yeah, you heard me. Heard me. Breathe heavy, right? Alright, so I'm gonna hook this hose up, and then we're gonna do another smoke test to see if it's fixed. Right back. Got that side connected. You can see right there. And let's go up here. And it's gotta connect it to this right here. Where is it? Where's it? Here we go. Right here. So I'm gonna connect that to there, tighten up the clamp, and join me to do another smoke test. Right back. Alright, we got it hooked up. Let's go cut our smoke machine back on and get up under there again. See if we got any more leaks before we bolt this back up. Alright, let's cut our thing on here. Let's see what happens to the ball. Drop. It ain't dropping fast enough. Alright. I don't see no leak so far. So maybe it's just gonna take some time. Build up some pressure. Oh yes. It's dropping. It's down to 7. And let's see if it goes any. I need this to go down as far as I can get it down there. So let's go and check to see. Man, I gotta fix the holes on my machine. Look at that. Holes on my machine is leaking a little bit. Down to 6. But let's go check out some more. Let's go check around the gas cap. Alright. Let's get up under here. Oh, wait a minute. What do I see leaking here? Don't tell me now. I see something behind the canister.
These are a little old, but they're fine.
I know I saw some smoke. I know I just saw some smoke in here. I know I did. There we are. What the heck is leaking away here now?
Well, me neither. I actually got these for rust.
Hey, look at that. That's actually coming out of the plug of the leak detection pump. Look at that, guys. You see that mess? Because you can see the lines. Wait a minute, does this plug have a seal on it or something? It's actually leaking out of the leak detection pump. That is wild.
But sometimes people
That is wild. So we're gonna need this a leak detection pump. And I'm gonna shut the pump. I'm gonna shut the thing off and plug it up and see. Wow. Be right back. All right. When I was just up there, I checked it. It went down to 4. But could you believe that? That thing's leaking. This leak detection pump. So I'm gonna plug this leak detection pump up. Usually there's a rubber seal in there or something. Yeah, there's one right there. But still, that ain't supposed to be doing that. And it's cool. It does have a P0442 small leak. So let's plug this up. I just want to check this out and see something. Right back. All right, just plugged it up. Let's go back out here. All right, put it back on. I'm gonna let this build up some pressure, and we'll be right back to go check that. All right, we're down to 6. Let's go back here. Let's get up under here.
I drove, up until 85 with no computers. I was fine. From age 16 to age, how old was I?
No, you can right past it. Give me a light.
I'm 30 years old, so I drove for 15 years with no problems. We had a great time. Daddy finished out the back.
Wow.
Back panel, carpeted, beds, on either side.
Right here.
About this wide.
This is loose. Just hold to stop. Let's push that close. Let's push that close up there. The hose should have a clamp on it then. Alright, so far I don't see nothing else, but I gotta put a clamp on that. But that leak detection pump is scaring me, man.
Yeah.
The hoses all over here. Alright, let's go. Let's go see where our gauge is at. There we go. Look at that. We're down. We're good. We got that leak. We're good. We're good. We're good. Alright, so I'm going to put a clamp on that. I am definitely going to... I don't like the way that leak detection pump did that. Leaking out of there like that. So, I'm calling that, just to be on the safe side, we're going to change that too. But the gross leak we did fix. So guys, this thing gave it to Astro, man. Look at, oh yeah, it's down there. Look at that. Look at that. You guys see that? Oh, the thing, after a while, it shuts itself off. Okay, now I cut it back on. That thing is down there. We're good to go. We are good to go. Let's shut this off. I'm gonna put a clamp on that one hose. We're gonna change the leak detection pump. I don't know. It looked like it's sealed. I mean, maybe I don't know. I really, I don't know. But if I hadn't unplugged it, would it still leaked? Don't know. So, well, one thing we do know, we got the main leak fixed. So let's put that gas tank. Let's put that gas tank back up there and get that bolted back up. Alright, and we'll be right back. Alright, we're gonna get this all bolted back up now. Just twist it out of the way and all that. Alright, right back. Alright, got our bolts in. everything. The nuts in over here. We'll put these clips in last. Let's get this thing tightened up. Okay. Alright, let's get all these tightened up. Right back. Alright guys and girls, we got everything hooked back up. Bolted up. Let's get all this tool from out of here. And we should be good to go. I think it's gonna pass. We're gonna change that detection pump though. What I'm gonna do is try it out and see. Because it did go down, I'm gonna try it out and see. If it comes back on, then we'll change it. Try to save the customer. That pump is kind of expensive, like $100 something. We can go online and find it cheaper. But let's find out. Let's get this cleaned up. Yeah, there's a broken hose. All this, man, dropping that gas tank for some hose, plastic hose, man. Wow. Imagine when you tell the customer the label on something, man. Like, yeah, I gotta drop your whole gas tank because I gotta change a hose. $5 hose. All right, bear back. All right, guys and girls, let's put the key on. Let's go back, and what we're gonna do is go back our diagnostic codes, erase codes. Are you sure? Dang on Skippy. All right, OBD camera out. Command sent. Alright, we're good. Let's unplug it. Let's start it up to make sure to verify our light is out. It's kind of blurry. There we go. Alright. Now, let's put this up. And what we're going to do here is, before I go crazy with that detection pump, you know, I want to see if we can get this car, get it to pass inspection before the customer puts that money out for that, instead of just hitting them for the leak detection pump like some people do. And I'm explaining it to them too. Right back.
Alright guys and girls, there you have it. Diagnosing the P0455, P0442 or something like that. Evap small leak and large leak. Or gross leak. It's a little time consuming, and it's kind of messed up when that hose is messed up above the gas tank and you got to drop the gas tank like that to get to a simple little hose. You know, I don't know, the EPA and all this government mess. Oh well. Any kind of questions, be sure to put them in the comments below. Do not call. We're getting a lot of calls and calling for me. I'm out in the field all the time. So it's best if you put your comments in below, or you can email me. I do respond to emails. I have been getting a lot of emails, and I do respond to them the moment I read them. You can email me at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Drop me a line anytime. This is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, you got it. Nobody can. Take it easy.